Hey guys, welcome. And this is how to fix floating keyboard on Android. So guys, if you have a problem of a floating keyboard like this one right over here, as you can see, I have a keyboard all over the place. So from here, as you can see, it is not fixed. So in order for you to fix that, you would just simply go ahead and tap on the four icons on the top left corner of the screen, as you can see over here. And now you should have an option over here called floating. So go ahead and tap on the floating tab over here. And as you can see, you should now be able to have a fixed keyboard. And when you want to go back to the floating, you can just simply select the four boxes again over here, and you will have the floating again. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.